Tired of replacing your trimmer line every 5 minutes? Is your trimmer line constantly snapping, leaving you frustrated and with a half-finished lawn? We've got a solution that might just change your yard work game. This trimmer line is designed as a heavy-duty replacement for Ego 15-inch string trimmers. This pre-cut twisted line promises to be more durable and efficient than standard options. Let's dive into what makes this trimmer line stand out. This trimmer line is compatible with all Ego 15-inch string trimmers. It fits models like ST1500, ST1500S, and many more. Check the product description on the Amazon product page to see the full list of compatible models. The twisted design and 0.095-inch thickness provide a claimed 30% increase in cutting efficiency. This means you can tackle thick weeds and tough edges with ease. The upgraded nylon polyamide material is abrasion and heat resistant, increasing its lifespan. The dual color design helps with centering the line during replacement. This makes changing the line quicker and more efficient. Each line is 14 feet long, and you get 16 in the pack, totaling 224 feet. With an average of 4.5 stars from 184 ratings, it's clear many users are satisfied. One user praised the ease of use, especially the dual color design for quick loading. Another highlighted the value, noting it's cheaper than similar products at big box stores. However, some users noted that it doesn't last as long as the original Ego line. One user mentioned it might be slightly smaller in diameter than the OEM line. Despite this, many still consider it a good substitute due to the quantity and price. This trimmer line offers a compelling combination of durability, efficiency, and value. While it might not last as long as some OEM lines, the 16-pack provides ample replacements at a reasonable price. Ready to give it a try? Head over to the Amazon product page using the link below to purchase your 16-pack of trimmer lines today. Don't forget to check out our link on Amazon for other great lawn care products. Transform your trimming experience now.